Good afternoon, everybody. I am Lori, in case we haven't met. I'm a silver leader with Young Living, and I blog at onemomandAblog.com, where I like to share a lot of my recipes that I make with my essential oils. I'm going to give everyone a few minutes to see the video. I keep jumping in here unannounced. It's because I don't have a specific time yet that I want to be doing videos, and I kind of just come on whenever I get a chance. So forgive me. I did mention that I'm going to do a giveaway, so I'm excited about that. You do not have to be watching live in order to enter the giveaway. We're just gonna, it's gonna end at midnight. I'm gonna announce it a little bit towards the end of the video, so hopefully more people are able to jump on and say hello. If you are watching, make sure you say hi and give me some hearts and let me know if you're there. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about using your oils consistently. Okay, so I want to know if there's people in the group who have a starter kit or have all their oils, but they're not using them every day. So that is so sad, especially if you have them. There's so many people that want oils and want to use them. So if you are fortunate enough to have them, make sure you're using them. And we're just going to talk a little bit about why. So why don't we just jump right in? If you are new to essential oils, I'll just give you a quick little rundown here. Essential oils are volatile liquids, and they evaporate. Unlike a carrier oil. Yes, Christine, I agree. Naked without my oils. I love that. Yes, constantly using oils. So, yes, that is so true. I love that. So anyway, essential oils, they're volatile liquids. They will evaporate, unlike a carrier oil, so don't leave your caps off of them. And they're aromatic compounds that are distilled or pressed from plants. So like the blood in our bodies, the essential oil of a plant is used to seal a cut, protect the wound, provide nutrients and oxygen for cell regeneration, and guard against harmful microorganisms. So that's what they do for the plants. So we are comparing that to some of the things that essential oils can help support our bodies with, which is super exciting. They have the ability to penetrate cell membranes and travel throughout the entire body through tissues. So you put oils on the bottom of your feet, any soft tissue, and they're going to be traveling through your body in a matter of minutes. That's how quickly essential oils start to work. They are immune enhancing. They support the body's natural defenses. They support, immune, circulatory, respiratory, endocrine, digestive, nervous, and other body systems. They aid in maintaining normal cell regeneration. They're mood elevating. They're high in antioxidants. They're aromatic. They're oxygenating. They boost stamina and energy. They help manage stress and frustration. Where's my stress away? I got my stress away on my desk here at all times. They promote youthful skin. They improve mental clarity. Another one that I have. Clarity. I like that one on my desk too. They promote overall health, vitality, and longevity. They support normal cellular function. They help maintain normal focus and concentration. They encourage, just proper function of different parts of your body, and they support, breathing and your respiratory system. So all of those, and I know I repeated some, but I just am rambling all of these uses and benefits that you can get from using your oils. So if you're, if you have your bottle of Stress Away and you use it one time, then yeah, you're totally going to benefit from it the one time. But oils can be applied frequently, and they work great when they are applied frequently and used regularly. That is definitely something where I see, you know, some people will be like, oh, I tried an oil and, you know, I didn't really do anything. You need to be using oils over a certain period of time in order to see the benefits, okay? So have your oils out, give them the proper chance that they deserve by using them as much as you can, and you're gonna see benefits. I guarantee it. There wouldn't be, you know, thousands of people in this group learning about how to use oils and hundreds of thousands of people, you know, all over the world using oils if they didn't work, okay? So just keep that in mind, that you want to be using them frequently and consistently. Just like anything else. You're not gonna, you know, buy a supplement, say, you know, a vitamin D supplement, and take it one time and expect for it to, you know, have an effect on your body. How often do you take your supplements? Every day, right? Vitamins every day. So just think of your oils the same way. Like, you want to be seeing the effects long term, so you want to use them consistently, all right? So just like anything else where you want to see some results, I want you to think of the oils as something that you have to use regularly and consistently to see results, okay? So that was just my quick, how, you know, use your oils every day spiel, because I've seen the benefit of that, and definitely feel naked without my oils, like Christine said there earlier. I also wanted to do a little giveaway today. So I know that there are lots of people in the group that are from all over the world, which is super cool, and I completely value that. It is fantastic. My giveaway today is only going to be if you're in the United States. In the United States, just for shipping reasons and stuff. I haven't quite, you know, figured out all of like shipping around the world, so I'm just going to keep it within the US. And I want us all to get excited about all of the fall blends and the season for fall. So I'm going to give away a bottle of nutmeg, 5 milliliter, and the way that we're going to do it is I want you to throw your favorite fall diffuser combos recipes in the comments below here, on the comments of this video, and then I'm going to randomly pick a number, and then the number that I pick, whatever comment that falls in, is going to win the 5 milliliter bottle of nutmeg, okay? And we're going to do it until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. So make sure you write in the comments below your favorite fall diffuser recipe. If it includes nutmeg, even better, since we'll be giving that away. And just comment below, and that's all you have to do to win. And just make sure that you're, you know, within the US. And I apologize for those of you who are not in the country, but today we're just going to be doing the giveaway for anyone in the US. So yeah, using your diffuser is one of the ways that you can be using your oils consistently and every day, because breathing them in is fantastic. So you're going to have those on you, you're going to breathe them in, it's going to be great. So yeah, I can't wait to see all of your diffuser recipes for fall. Fall is my absolute favorite time of year. I always hear everybody saying that. One of the reasons I like to really ramp up talking about diffusing this time of year is because we want to minimize how often we're using our candles in our house. Because candles, when you burn them, are just blowing toxins into the air. Artificial fragrances are not healthy to be breathing in. Orange and Frank, great combination. Great combination, love that. I definitely just try different blends and stuff in my diffuser to replace my old, you know, pumpkin spice candle habit. So if anybody has like a pumpkin spice named recipe, make sure you throw it down in the comments so you can be entered to win the 5 milliliter bottle of nutmeg. Talking, like I said, you're just gonna want to be replacing, like I always say, I should say, you're just gonna be wanting to replace, you know, some old habits with some better habits, and diffusing is definitely a great way to break the candle habit. I know candles give like an awesome ambiance, which I do miss, but I think that, you know, minimizing their use is where you're gonna want to start. And the diffusers are super nice too. They have lights in them and light up, and honestly I think they smell better, and not only are you getting that smell, you're also getting those oily benefits. Okay, so I can't wait to read all of your comments. I'll probably announce the winner in the thread in the morning tomorrow, so you'll see that from me in the morning. Good luck. I hope you guys win. Nutmeg is a great combination, or a great oil to have in lots of diffuser combinations. I see Jenny, she says 5 drops orange, 1 drop cinnamon, 1 drop clove, and 1 drop of nutmeg. That's great. That sounds like a good one. Good one. Love it. Oh, Allison, you just ordered nutmeg. Perfect. Yes, I'm always late on getting my fall oils, but funny enough, I always have Christmas spirit on hand, because I think I posted a few weeks ago that I was like already diffusing Christmas spirit because that's my favorite one. So that's the only one that I kind of jump ahead of the season on, but I always kind of save my like fall blends. You know, Thieves, considering people always say, oh, Thieves smells like Christmas, and like it's Christmas all year long, which is totally true. So that is another one that I diffuse all year long. But yeah, that and Christmas spirit. But anyway, throw your diffuser blends, keep adding them to the thread below to win your 5 milliliter bottle of nutmeg from me. Can't wait to hear from you all, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.